stalling?
I was waiting for my word.
I gave you a word.
You did not.
Didn't I give her a word?
No.
My apologies. Sleuth.
Sleuth, may I have a definition?
It's an artificial passage for water with a valve or gate for stopping and regulating flow.
Are there any alternate definitions?
Yes. It's a channel to drain or carry off surplus water.
Are there any alternate definitions?
Yes. It's a body of water pent up behind a floodgate.
Are there any alternate definitions?
Why don't you quit stalling and spell the damn word?
Principal Panch!
Vice Principal Panch. Vice Principal Panch.
Sleuth! F-L-U-I-V-E,
Let me
sleuth!
be principal.
Okay. Gee, I wonder why.
That is correct. What is wrong with you?
Oh, you want to know what's wrong with me? Well, everything's wrong with me. I've been Vice Principal Maya. Get away from me. Vice Principal Maya. Get
away from the children!
Principal. They won't let me be principal. Let you get away from me.
I really say in the lobby that he'd come in.
I would like to apologize. In my defense, I am lactose intolerant.